India's new Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025 is now in force. This law consolidates four older legislations: the Passport Entry Act of 1920, the Registration of Foreigners Act of 1939, the Foreigners Act of 1946, and the Immigration Carriers Liability Act of 2000, bringing them under one single framework. Here's what changes. The government can now notify official immigration posts for legal entry and exit. A new Bureau of Immigration will manage visas, entry, transit, stay, and movement of foreigners. Foreigners must register with a registration officer on arrival. Hotels, universities, hospitals, and other institutions are required to report details of foreigners to the government. Airlines, shipping companies, and other carriers must share advance passenger and crew details with immigration officers. State police can now upload biometric and movement data to a national portal, helping track illegal migrants and blocking them from obtaining Indian documents. Let's have a look at the penalties. Using or supplying a forged passport or visa brings mandatory jail time of at least 2 years, which can extend up to 7 years, plus fines between 1 lakh to 10 lakh rupees. Entering restricted areas without valid documents can mean up to 5 years in prison or fines up to 5 lakh rupees. Police officers above the rank of head constables can now arrest without a warrant under this act. One important relief: migrants from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan belonging to 6 minority communities, Hindus, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, and Parsis, who arrived in India on or before December 31, 2024, will be exempt from penal action even if their documents have expired. With this enforcement, 4 older laws stand repealed, giving India a single comprehensive immigration law for stronger border security and tighter tracking of foreigners.